My name is John Woodward. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I practice at Swedish Medical Center at HCA HealthONE. My undergraduate degree was at UCLA in Los Angeles, California. Then I went to Boston, Massachusetts at Tufts University School of Medicine. And then my orthopedic residency was in Phoenix, Arizona. My areas of clinical interest are hip replacement and knee replacement, but I also enjoy trauma surgery in addition to sports medicine. What I love about practicing medicine is being able to help the patient. Every patient's an individual and every patient has a different history. It's important to understand where these patients are coming from and what their desired goals are. I enjoy helping the patients get to their desired goals and especially help making them feel better. My philosophy of care is to treat every patient individually, to find out exactly what they are looking for and to help them achieve their goals. I think every patient deserves a personalized approach to their care.